Yeah, good evening, everyone. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training and welcome to Data Structures and Algorithms with Java, DSA with Java, a new batch. So, myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. The title of the course is DSA with Java, and this is the batch 8. Successfully, we completed 7 batches. This is nothing but the 8th batch what we have. And fees is rupees 5,000. Sir, it may increase from the next month. That's why. So don't miss this opportunity. And the duration of this course is we have 2 months duration is there. December and January. In the middle of the January, I will complete the syllabus. Okay. Then, and my sincere request for you people, please be ready to attend on weekends also, but not on every weekend. I will inform you maybe for one week after 1 week or 2 weeks after 1 week, like that I will take. But before, I will inform you because some huge topics are there. So those are easy topics and we need to put more concentration. Those topics I'm going to cover on the weekend classes. Okay. The timings of this session is not from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Please make sure these classes are from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, these classes are from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so just I need confirmation from your side. Everyone, the comfortable with the timings, right? 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Please respond in the chat window, or you can use a thumbs up symbol. Can you please raise your hand? Everyone okay, right? Good, good. Right. Sir, next. Good. No, there is no other time slots, only 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock to 10 p.m. Okay. And only these 3 days, like yesterday, today, and tomorrow, we are going to plan the classes from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Why? Because already this batch got started at 9 o'clock. It is going on. For them, we planned another add-on batch. That's why these 3 days demos will be there from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and remaining classes will be there. That means, so from Thursday onwards, our classes will be there from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. And this is the contact number. Those who are willing to continue, you can make starting the payments, because already one demo completed. Today is the second demo, right? And from next class onwards, I mean, tomorrow is the last demo. That's why the people who are willing to continue, you can contact to this mail ID or to this number, and you can start making the payments. Already some 2 to 3 students are already paid. Okay. And the benefits of this course is, as I explained in the last class, we are going to provide the running notes in the form of Google Drive, and whatever images I'm going to explain in the class, those images also I will give it, because so taking the class, definitely there may be a chance of getting images, because so these data structures, in the sense, we have to write by using this pen on the screen, and we will save that image and we will send to you. That is very important. Okay, because if you take linked list, so all these things we have to explain only with the help of diagrams. That's why. And we are going to share the recorded videos also. Almost 6 months access I am going to give for these recorded videos. Okay. And even interview questions also we are going to cover. Okay. Of course, not in the regular class. I will provide in the form of videos. I have prepared, and it is going on around 100 videos I prepared, but it is not yet uploaded. So we are going to give those 100 interview questions on these data structure, so that you can refer in the form of video. I explained clearly each and every question. Okay, around it will take some 5 to 10 minutes, minimum 4 minutes, maximum 10 minutes for questions based on the question. And even in this course, in the previous batches, I didn't cover any coding challenges. In this course, I'm going to cover some coding challenges. So high level coding challenges related to the data structures. Maybe I'm expecting at least 10 problems we will try to solve. And coming to the syllabus, introduction to the algorithms. Next, and after that, sample algorithms and implementations, analysis of algorithms and how to calculate complexities. Next, and after that, array data structure, one-dimensional array programs, two-dimensional array programs like matrices, three-dimensional array programs, how to rotate the arrays, CRUD operations on arrays, all these things we are going to discuss. So these are nothing but the main topics what we have. Sir, what about the subtopics? In the sense, I think in the yesterday's class I have shown the PDF. Is there if you want advantages. Okay, sir, is my voice is clear?
Yes, clear.
Breaking in between.
One second. I think I don't know what is happening here. One second.
Now it's okay, sir.
Just
Now it's okay.
yeah. 1 second. I will change the network. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, sir. Now is it clear? Please confirm.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So in the introduction part, we are going to cover all these things. Okay. And what are the different approaches are there to solve the problem? Like how you can able to prepare the constraints, how you are going to get the idea, complexity calculations, how to write coding for that, how to test whether that code is correct or not. Introduction parts are maximum theory parts will be there. And analysis of algorithms. In this chapter, we are going to explain how to calculate time and space complexities. Okay, that because that is very, very important, right? For any algorithm or for any program, if you take, definitely multiple solutions you may get. But among that, which is the best solution? How you can able to identify? By taking the comparison, okay, by analyzing the time and space. So which algorithm is going to take less amount of memory in the storage, and which algorithm is going to take less time for the execution? So those algorithms are best. So like we are going to analyze the algorithms for that complexity calculation, time complexity, space complexity, asymptotic notations, these things we are going to use. And we have constant time, linear time, quadratic time, logarithmic, n logarithmic, exponential, factorial time. So all these things we are going to cover with the help of example programs. Next, we are going to see sample algorithms and how you can able to provide implementation for those algorithms. Just to refresh your Java knowledge, we are going to take these programs. Okay, so here you can able to see how to calculate addition of two numbers from that basic program to if conditions, while loop. So for some programs we have multiple approaches is there. So in that we are going to cover only one or two approaches. Okay, so this is nothing but what we are going to cover here. And if you take data structures, sorry, array data structure. So what is mean by array data structure? What are the advantages? So how to declare memory representation? So all these things we are going to cover, theoretical parts. Parallelly, we are going to see the programs related to the arrays. Okay. Next, how to find out sorting the array, how to find out the smallest element, largest element, linear search, binary search, and some applications, some 5 to 6 applications on that. Then how to rotate the array, rotating in the sense, so how you can able to move from the first element, how you can able to move to the last element, or from last to first, how you can able to rotate all these things. And programs on two-dimensional array, nothing but matrices, how to read a matrix value, how you can able to calculate the transpose, sum of elements, row wise sum, column wise sum, diagonal elements sum, opposite diagonal elements sum, minimum and maximum element in the matrix, row wise minimum, row wise maximum, how to sort the total matrix, row wise sorting, column wise sorting, how to swap the two rows, how to swap the two columns, how to swap the diagonal elements, addition, subtraction, multiplication of the matrices, and how to rotate the matrix. Rotating the matrix by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, like that. Then we are going to see the CRUD operations on arrays. CRUD operations means suppose if I have an array, how you can able to perform like retrieving, selecting the elements from the array, how you can able to select. Okay, so how to insert an element into the array. Okay, like various cases will be there. How to delete the element from array, various cases will be there. How to update the elements in the array, some multiple cases. So there is one predefined array class is there. We are going to discuss about that, all the methods, string data structure. What about the memory locations, all these things. Okay. Next and after that, string buffer, string tokenizer, so regular expressions. So on this, we are going to cover some programs also. Around 50 programs will be there. So I told already, right? We are going to take on weekends. This is one of the topic where I am going to take the weekend class. So one Saturday for 2 hours or 3 hours, I am going to take theoretical part of the string. And Sunday, whatever theory part we covered, with the help of that, we have some programs that we are going to discuss. So that is optional part for you. If you want, you can attend, and you can, otherwise you can go for watching the videos. Okay, because the topic is already very easy. It is there in Java. Just I am going to refresh. It is add-on for you. So from here, the main data structures are going to be started. Recursion means what? What are the applications on recursion? In the recursion, there are some terms are there, like finite recursion, infinite recursion. What is mean by base condition? Okay, so why we need to go for the recursion? Iteration, recursion. What is the difference? Tail recursion, non-tail recursion. From that, we are going to see the programs, multiple programs, around 15 to 20 programs are there. Okay, subsets of the given string, how to calculate towers of an eye, Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci sequence, permutations, grid ways, keypad, mobile. If you take old mobile phones, they are having some keypad, right? If you type a number called 2 and 3, so if you press 2, for that 3 characters are there, A, B, C. If you press 3, D, E, F, 3 characters are there. If you press 2 and 3, what combinations you are going to get? By using recursion, we have to solve. So next and after that, backtracking, it is a kind of algorithm what we have. Sir, I request everyone to please be on mute when syllabus is explaining. Please be on mute, everyone. Later you can ask all your queries, please. Backtracking, okay. What is mean by backtracking? So today I'm going to explain n-queens problem also, and how to solve Sudoku problem. Then sorting algorithms, different types of sortings are there. First, we are going to see the fundamental sorting. Then in the arrays class, sort method is there. So there are some cases in that, how to implement bubble sort. So improved version of bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, shell sort. And in the searching algorithm, linear search, binary search. With that, around some 9 cases are there. Then dynamic programming. Okay, actually here spelling mistake. Dynamic programming. What is mean by memoization? What is mean by tabulation? As of now, here I have given only one example. Maybe you can expect another example also. Greedy algorithms means what? Divide and conquer. Merge sort and quick sort will comes under this divide and conquer. Bit manipulations. How to work with binary numbers, because you know binary numbers are directly going to deal with the memory. Okay, because no need to convert it into binary, or no need to evaluate explicitly. That's why if you are taking bitwise operators for any application, it will improve the performance. So how to use that? Bit mask, all these things will come under this. Okay, and linked list data structure, very very important. This part also I am going to take on one Sunday. Okay, so single linked list means what? Double linked list means what? Circular single linked list means what? Circular double linked list. How to perform insert operation, how to perform delete operation, how to display the elements, how to search for the element, reversing the linked list, how to remove the duplicate elements, copying the linked list, comparing two linked list. Is a list is a palindrome list or not? How you can check nth node from the beginning, nth node from the ending, like that. Multiple examples we are going to cover. After that, stack data structure. What is mean by stack? How to implement the stack by using arrays, linked list, predefined library is also there. Okay, how to store string objects, student objects. So sorted insertion in the stack, sorting the stack elements, bottom insertion, reversing the stack, how to check whether the expression is valid or not, parenthesis balancing, infix and postfix. On this we are going to play multiple examples. Then queue data structure. Okay, what are the operations that we can perform on queue? How to implement the queue by using array, queue by using linked list. Circular queue is there, how to implement by using array and linked list. DQ is there, double-ended queue, how to implement by using array and linked list. Predefined queue implementation. So hash table means what? Okay, how to implement the hash table. Collision means what? How you can able to solve the collision. Okay, tree data structure, like some terms are there related to the tree. Then binary tree implementation. So how to implement a binary tree, for that basic properties will be there. Binary tree traversals, in order, pre-order, post-order, level order traversals. So some applications. Okay, maximum element, minimum element, how you can check whether two trees are equal or not, and binary search tree. So what are the properties of binary search tree, and these applications we are going to implement. So height balanced trees, as a part of that we are going to see AVL trees, how you can able to do that rotations, all these things. Priority queue means what? Ascending order priority queue, descending order priority queue, where we are using these priority queues. So on that some different cases. Okay, heap data structure means what? How to implement priority queue manually. And hashing, it is something like theory part. Graph data structure, how to represent the graph. So depth first search, breadth first search. Then how you can able to check, is there any path between so u and v. Okay, so like that we are going to cover. Okay, so we will discuss all these things one by one. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, so this is nothing but depth first search, breadth first search. Okay, how to check whether there is a path between two nodes, like all these things we are going to cover. This is nothing but the syllabus what we are going to plan. And yesterday I think I explained how to print a simple message on the screen by using Java, and I implemented a prime number application also by using two versions. Okay, so today I'm about to start array data structure, but before that, that backtracking n queens problem I told, right? I will give what is that problem, all these things. But so already I have taken full-fledged demo in these videos. Okay, so if you want, just I'm going to share that, you can able to watch. Okay, because suddenly we planned the demo and we are merging with another batch. That's why if you want to get full-fledged clarity, you can see in the previous class. That means already 9 o'clock batch started, right? So for that I have taken already demo. So those videos are there in the YouTube. You can check. Around some 5 classes videos are there. You can verify before coming to the class. Okay, this is one option what you have. So there I explained the complete syllabus. Even I covered some topics also. Okay, this is one way. So another link, this is nothing but the old class link. Okay, so I'm going to share our class link also. Yesterday we have taken one session, right? So that new class link also I will share for you people. So let us check that new class link. Yeah, here you can see yesterday class we uploaded here. This is nothing but the playlist. Yeah, these are nothing but what we discussed in the last videos. Okay, anyway, today I will start our fresh topic. So now you can ask what are the queries that you have in your mind. Any doubts? Please feel free to ask your queries.
So how many lectures will be there completely?
Sir,
How many lectures will be there totally?
Sir, around 45 to 50 classes will be there, sir.
50. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. I
Okay,
am
sir.
talking about hours. 45 to 50 hours will be there. Because sometimes I will take 2 hours on weekends or 3 hours like that. Sunday classes also will be there in the night time. Maybe no, not every Sunday will be there in the evening times. I mean, we will plan because I don't have any batches on weekends in the evening time. So that's why we will make a discussion and we will finalize. But it will be there after evening only, maybe after 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. like that. We will plan.
Hello,
By
sir.
discussing with the friend, by discussing with all the students only, I will finalize the timings. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, so already some classes are taken for the previous batch. So
Hmm.
so we need to watch those videos before coming to the next videos.
No,
Next
no, no,
session.
no. Yesterday I have taken the demo, right?
Okay.
Today I am taking one class. Tomorrow also I am going to take one class. And the day
Okay.
after tomorrow I am merging with those people.
Okay. Okay.
So from that day onwards, whatever topics I am taking for them and for you, both will be common.
Okay.
Whatever topics I have taken for them, I will take on this coming Saturday or Sunday.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then the people who are attending at 8 o'clock demo, only you people can attend on that day. Maybe 1 hour session is sufficient. Because
Okay.
we have taken some programs for them, around some 20 programs to understand the basics of Java. Okay, those programs I'm going to plan for this Saturday or Sunday like that. I will inform you that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Can you please the GIL syllabus PDF? We will take the printout for reference. Yeah, once if the class started, I'm going to share because you can see already running notes folder is given for them. In that syllabus is there. Don't worry, I will share that. After demos, we are going to share that. Okay. You can see this is the running notes. Already I have prepared this DSA Java B notes. So whatever content I'm going to type, that thing will be updated for you. And this is the syllabus PDF. Okay. We will be merged with beginners batch. Yes, yes, it is beginning only. See, for them, I have taken only the programs and introduction part. Anyway, that I am going to cover for you people. Any other queries? If no queries, I will
So
start.
just one more
Please.
thing. So just one more thing.
Yes.
I just want to know,
Hmm.
sir, how much Java, could you name the topics, what all we need to know about Java before, starting this batch?
Sir, nothing, sir. You should know how to run the Java program. First thing. Second thing, what is mean by method? How to define the methods? What is mean by object, static? These things you should know. And constructors. So method overloading. These topics are sufficient.
Okay. Okay. So
Other
if you
than this,
can,
nothing we are going to cover here. See, Java is not important here because this class main intention is to demonstrate data structures concept, but we need to see the practical proof. Otherwise, it is very difficult, right? In the programming domain, suppose if I am taking stack, it follows last in first out. What is the proof for that? We need some implementation for that. So for this purpose, we are taking the Java. Okay.
okay. So we'll come prepared. I mean, if you just mention those topics, which
Sir,
we
you
which
know
we want us
already
to cover.
Java, right? Matthew, already you know Java, right?
I do know the basics, sir. Like I
Ah,
know,
no,
like
no. You
data
know the
types.
basics, right?
Yeah, I've been like pattern printing and all that.
Yesterday you attended the class, right?
Right, right.
Have you felt any difficulty in the yesterday's program?
I have not used that method concept before.
Okay,
Loops
okay.
and all is fine, but the method was not
It
familiar
is
to me.
very simple. It is very simple, sir. Don't worry. When situation required, just you can unmute and you can ask the doubt. I will explain. It is a matter of 5 minutes doubts clarification, right? Nothing will be there because if you keep that doubt in your mind, it will be there till the end. If you clarify, even 5 minutes waste, so no problem. I will clear your doubt so that in the next classes you want to get that.
Okay. No, I have done the prime printing, sir, but it was with some different concept.
Okay, okay, no problem. Sir, I am going to create WhatsApp group. Okay. In that WhatsApp group, whatever problems that you are facing, or you can ping me personally, or you can send it in the WhatsApp group. We will have a communication once if the class got completed. So around 24 hours duration will be there, right? So in that time period, when you are preparing, if you are having any questions, just you can send me with voice note or with a text message. I will respond for that, definitely. Matthew, you don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. Can I start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. So now in the today's class, I think I don't want to go in detail. So today I want to explain, okay, there is one problem is there, sir, like n queens problem statement. I will explain. What is this n? Okay, we have to arrange the queens in the chessboard. Sir, why there is disturbance in the network? 1 second, please wait. Yeah, clear now? Yeah. Yes, because here climate situations are completely different, sir. Maybe that is the reason. Now, okay, right?
Sir, do not have any problems. Your voice is very clear. Maybe they are having some problem, I think, sir,
No, no, no,
with
no.
net.
Some people are giving message. Sir, now clear, right? No disturbance, right?
No problem, sir. No
Everyone?
problem.
Yeah, right. See, what is this n queens problem? Sir, here n queens means it is a data structure problem, sir. Actually, here we are going to use one technique. Okay, so what is this problem statement here is we have n by n chessboard is there. N by n chessboard is there means what? N rows, n columns. Maybe for example, 8 by 8 chessboard. I think you have seen the chessboard which we are playing. Okay, it is nothing but 8 by 8 chessboard. So our task is to place the queens. Okay, in some languages, in the local languages, the people are going to use the word called minister in Telugu, mantri, something like that. Okay, so minister in the chessboard, we have to place a queen in the chessboard. That is your task. So there are some rules are there. First rule is nothing but only one queen is allowed in a single row. Okay, in a single row, how many queens we have to take? Only one queen. The second rule is, so no two queens should collide. Okay, should collide with each other, should collide with each other. Okay, no two queens should collide with each other. So because the movement of a queen, if you take any queen, in how many directions it is going to move, in the sense it can move in the left direction, it can move in the right direction, it can move in the up direction, it can move in the down direction, and sir, all four diagonal, okay, four diagonal directions it can able to move. So I will demonstrate these rules and regulations with the help of diagram, then only you can able to understand well. Suppose consider I am going to take, for your understanding purpose, I am taking a 4 by 4 chessboard. Okay, I am taking a 4 by 4 chessboard like this. How many rows should be there? 4 rows like this. How many columns will be there? 4 columns like this. Okay, so here this is the first row, this is the second row, third row, fourth row, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So your job is you have to take a queen here. Suppose if you take any queen here, what are the directions it can able to move? It can able to move in the right direction, in the left direction, so in the top direction, in the bottom direction. So diagonal in this side, diagonal in this side, diagonal in this side, diagonal in this side. So total how many directions are there? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 ways are there to move. So that list I have given here. So left, right, up, down, and 4 diagonal. Totally 8 directions are there. When it is moving in these 8 directions, there should not be any queen here. If queen is there, then collision will happen. And in a row, how many queens you have to take? Only one queen. This is nothing but the rule what we have. Based on this rule, we have to place the queens. Sir, is it possible by using the general programming means what? No, we can't do this. So we can able to solve this problem by taking the recursion. Why recursion? In the first queen, take a first row, take a queen and go to the second queen, second row. So how you are going to decide it is a recursion? Because in this example, in this diagram, it is 4 by 4. Tomorrow I may get 5 by 5. So day after tomorrow I may get 8 by 8. Like the rows and columns are going to change. That's why I will apply recursion by taking a small problem so that we can apply the same thing for the big problem also. Then one more concept is required in this backtracking. So I will explain in the diagram how backtracking is going to work. So that by using these two, we will implement the program. Even the Sudoku logic also will comes under this category only. Yeah, I am taking more time. Sir, if the concept is clear, okay, then I will explain how to find solution for this. Is the concept is clear for everyone? Please confirm. Right, friends, please confirm. Is the concept is clear? Please confirm. Right. Now you have to respond along with me, okay, because I am going to give the solutions for this. Recursion and backtracking is still I didn't explain. Just to see the problem statement, that's all, because still we are in the demo. We have a separate chapter. There I will explain. See, the main intention for you to attend the demo session is you need to observe only few things, like the way of teaching. Are you able to understand or not? Next, and after that, if any problem is coming, how I am going to explain that problem statement. What is the syllabus? Okay, all these things we have to see. Okay, so then the topics and all these things in the regular class we will see, because today itself I can't explain the recursion, right? In the regular class only we need to see. Demo means what? Just we need to see various parameters, right? Sir, my first possibility is I am going to take a queen in the first row, first column. We can't take any queen in the row, right? Because first row got completed. I will jump to the second row. Can you please confirm? Can I take a queen here? Yes, please confirm. Can I take a queen here? No. Why? Because there may be a chance of collision, right? That's why we can't take a queen here. Can I take here?
No.
No. We can't take because collision. So can I take here? Yes.
Yes.
So first row completed, second row completed. Now in the third row, how many possibilities will be there? 4 possibilities. So I am trying with the first possibility. Is it possible? No, because there is a collision. If you are trying to take here, no possibility because collision. I can't take here also because collision. I can't take here because collision. Have you observed? The final conclusion here is we can't able to take the third queen in the third row. This is the problem what we have. So recursion means it will keep on moving, but here there is no solution for the third row. Then what we have to do is we need to come one step backward. Okay, that is called as backtracking. Sir, come one step back. Where you kept that third queen? Sir, here only you have kept, right? Now please remove from that, because we tried in the first location, it is not possible. We tried in the second location, it is not possible. Now we are going to place the queen in the fourth position. Can I take here? Yes. Now try with another combination. Here we can't take. Okay. But here we can take because no collisions, right? Can I take fourth queen here? No. So can I take here? No. Can I take here? No. Can I take here? No. There is no possibility. Come one step backward and try for here. Is it possible? No. Come one step backward, try here. No possibility. That means, so keep on backtracking. The first queen which you have taken, that place itself is wrong. Okay. We have to start taking from the second. Can I take here? No. Can I take here? No. Can I take here? No. Can I take here? Yes. Can I take here? Yes. Can I take here? No. Can I take here? No. Can I take here? Yes. Sir, now you can see there is no collision is happening in the chessboard. So this is one solution. Like this, there may be a chance of existing multiple solutions. I think the n queens problem statement and how it is visually represented, you people got very clear clarity. Okay. Any doubt?
So, can you explain the backtracking?
Backtracking in the sense, when you are placing a queen, just general example I will give, sir. When you are placing a queen, if there is no proper place in the entire row, so in the previous row where you placed, you can change that position, coming back and changing the position. For example, consider your friend has given a map to you about his location. You need to reach your friend house. So there are n number of curves are there in the road. What you have taken is you went into one street. So you came to the end of the street, but you didn't find the location. Then what you are going to do? Are you going to move from that? Because that is the dead end. You can't move. Then what you are going to do? If your result is not found, you will reverse. You will reverse and you will come to the one position. So maybe circle something like that, and you will ask your friend. Suppose the circle which you stand itself is wrong, means again you will come up with another circle with higher priority, and then you are going to ask. So that is called as whatever operation that you are doing. So for researching purpose, so that is called as backtracking. Got it, sir?
Yes.
Sir, everyone, please confirm. Is the concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we are going to see this implementation in the further classes. Don't worry. Okay. So now I am going to enter into the actual content. Sir, to understand these data structures and algorithms, we need to go for some example programs. Now I am going to take around some 4 example programs. So after that, we will start our regular syllabus. Okay. So first chapter onwards, we are going to cover. What is the first example program is I am taking in the edit plus. So let us take, I am going to declare a simple Java program. You know very well how to execute this Java program. I am taking class test. Okay. And we are going to save the file with the file name test.java. And how to run this program? So you have to take the command prompt. In the command prompt, we need to take test folder because we saved the file in this folder only. And since it is a Java C space test.java is the command which is used to compile your Java program. That means we are verifying is there any error in the program or not. If there is no error, it returns to the next line, and we can run the program by taking Java space test. You can see the output what we are getting here is hello world. This is nothing but how to print a simple message on the screen. First example program for this. So what is the output that we got? Hello world is the output. So the next example, sir, I want to take one class and I need to provide one data into that class. Okay. So maybe I'm going to take the class name as a demo, something like this. I want to declare one data member. Let us consider it as a data member. Data member means what? It is a property of that class. For example, demo class is having one property called X. Like that, suppose if you take a student class, then so there will be one property with name student name, something like a student id, something like a student mobile number, like that. Those are nothing but what? Properties, right? Like that, in the demo class I have taken one property. What is that property name? X. Like this I have taken. Now I need to set data, okay, for this data member. How to set? I am taking void set x. Okay, any name you can take, but this is a setter method which is used to set the value. So now I have taken x. This dot x is equal to x. Like this I am going to take. What is the meaning of this method? This method is called as a setter method. Setter method. What is the purpose of setter method? To set the values. What is a data member name? X. That's why set value for this data member. And this is the local member that you are giving. That value we are copying to the current class X. This represent current object. Then I am going to print the data, or I want to get this data. What is the type of data member? Integer. So integer get x is the getter method. This method is nothing but what? Getter method. So which is going to return this dot x. So this method is nothing but what? Getter method. So setter method is used to set the values. Getter method is used to get the values. So let us run this program. I am creating demo obj1 is equal to new demo. I created one object, and by using that object I am going to set the value of x as a triple one. Then system dot out dot println of, by using that object I am calling get x. It will return the value of x which you have set. What is the value of x that we have assigned? Triple one, right? That value will come. If you want, you can check. I am compiling the program and I am running. Have you observed what output we got? Triple one. This is the way how to create a particular class, how you can able to set the data, and how you can able to get the data. Like this, can I create any number of objects? Yes, template is ready, right? So you can create any number of objects for this. Assume I am taking three objects, obj1, obj2, okay, obj2, obj2, sorry, obj3. So obj3, here also obj3, okay, and here I am taking obj2. Assume the values here I am giving, so 777 or 555, and here it is 999. So what output we will get? Like this we are going to get. Let us run this program. Is it coming three attributes? Perfectly. This is the way how you can able to create a class, how to add data member into that class, how to set the values, and how to get the values. Because while implementing these data structures, sometimes we need to create a class for graph, sometimes we need to create a class for tree, binary search tree, node class, single linked list class, like that. So compulsory we are going to create multiple classes, and some properties will be there for every class that we have to add. For that we are going to take like this. Clear, sir? Everyone, please confirm. Up to this, do you have any doubts? Yes, please confirm. Right. Now, slowly I am going to do some operations on this because I want to expand this program. Sir, every time assigning the value is not good. I may forgot. Then in such cases, what will happen? It is difficult. That's why, is there any way that I will pass the value at the time of creating the object? I don't want to set manually. Okay, at the time of passing itself, at the time of creating object itself, I will pass. So is there any chance to get like this? Yes, for that we need to go for very good, Sandeep, excellent. Okay, for that we have to replace this. Yeah, Rupesh, correct. So we have to replace this setter method with constructor. You know the default, I mean, constructor syntax, right? Whatever class name is there, same name you have to take. But my constructor is receiving one parameter which is nothing but x. I am going to give that. So this is called as what? Constructor. So program is the same. There is no change at all. Only change is nothing but what? Instead of setter method, I used constructor. Sir, what is the advantage? Setter method means we have to call manually, but constructor means automatically it is going to do. Because these are initialization activities we are not required to do explicitly. If you forgot, then initialization is going to be mismatched. That's why compulsory I need to execute these initializations. For that purpose, we are going to for constructors. So hope this second phase of this program, it is very clear for you. Yeah, it is called as parameterized constructors. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this? Rakshit,
Yes, sir.
Rakshit Sharma, colorful messages you are sending. Huh? Right. Sir, next, one more modification. I don't have only one data member. I have two data members like x and y. Sir, I am going to take integer x, integer y. This dot x is equal to x. This dot y is equal to y. So getter method is there for getting the value of x. Can I replace this with another method which is nothing but get y, which is going to return the value of y. So in the main method, what modification you need to do? Sir, get x, get y. I don't want all these objects. I will give only one object. So 222 and then 777 I am giving. What output I am expecting? 222 and then 777. Let us run this code and check whether we are getting the same output or not. Just I added another data member called y. Okay. Sir, clear up to this? Please confirm, friends. Clear up to this? Please confirm, friends. Right. Now, sir, last modification. In the same program, sir, I am going to change. Generally, in the mathematics, so there is one concept is there called a point. Point means in the graph, if you take any point, there will be x coordinate will be there for that and y coordinate will be there. Now I want to replace this demo with point. Consider it is a x coordinate and it is a y coordinate. I am removing all these comments. So in the point class, I will give 2 points. It is going to assign x and then y, and it is going to return this. Okay. And here I am creating point p1 is equal to new point of 10 comma 20. So we need to call explicitly, right? To get the values of this 10 and 20, we need to call explicitly like a point 1 dot get x, point 2 dot get x, like this. Point 1 dot get x, point 1 dot get y. Like this, I'm going to take. Let us run the program. Like this we have. Now, sir, this is nothing but just I have done a small replacement, nothing more than this. Sir, now my requirement is, I don't want to take like this. I want to print. I don't want to print every time get X, get Y, something like this. So I want to print directly P1. What output we will get? Sir, it is going to print address of that point, like point class name @ symbol. It will print address of that object where it is located, something like hash code. Okay, yeah, hash value. So here you can able to see what is output that we are getting. Point, this object is available in this particular memory location, like that we are getting. Okay, sir, I came to the final point. So this is not my requirement. Whenever you are printing a value for the point, I need to get the output in the form of coordinates. Okay, so how you can able to do that? We have to go for, very good, Rakshit Sharma, correct. We have to go for toString method. I don't want this get X, get Y, all this nonsense. I'm going to take public string. Okay, public string, toString method you have to override. So what is mean by this toString? So it will be executed automatically. It is nothing but string representation of a given object. Sir, output must be a string. I need the data in the form of points. What are the points? X value we have to print, comma, Y value we have to print. Sir, in these, some data is a content, some data is a string. That's why what we are going to do is, this dot X is the content, right? Like this I'm taking. Okay, so this dot Y is the content, right? That's why I'm taking like this. So like this, we are going to concatenate. So what will happen? This data we are going to get in the form of point. If you want, you can see. Just we performed which operation? Overriding operation. The total story, what I explained in today's class is how to create a class, how to add data to that class, how you can able to access all these things I demonstrated here. Okay, slowly one by one changes I have done in the program. I think you people enjoyed. So what I explained in the today's session. Any doubts, friends, up to this, whatever I covered, please confirm.
No, sir.
Is everything is clear?
Yes.
Right. Good. So with this, I am going to stop today's session. Sir, tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. And tomorrow I am going to explain. Okay. So first chapter, not first chapter, because for the previous batch, I mean the batch which is going on at 9 o'clock. Okay. For them, already I started third chapter I finished for them. That third chapter I will take for you in the coming week. Okay, that is analysis of algorithms. And even sorry, not analysis, sample algorithms I covered for them. For you it is going to be covered in the Friday session, Friday or Saturday, like that. And introduction to algorithms and data structure also I have covered for them. So these two chapters I am going to take for you people in the Saturday. Okay, in the Saturday session and the Sunday session. Like this we are going to plan. Then, so for them I didn't started these things. Tomorrow I am going to, I mean today I am going to start array data structure for them. For you people I am going to start tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow I am going to discuss array data structure, and from day after tomorrow these two batches will be combined. Okay, So the people who are willing to continue, you can start the making payments and you can get registered. Okay. RAM memory, all these things are not required, sir, because it is a high level concept that we are discussing. RAM, all these things are low level concepts. In the theoretical part itself, you have to learn that. Okay. So payment already I told, right? It is 1,500 rupees. Okay. If you want to get registered, you can contact to this number. Sir, some people are going to give not interested to continue in the batch. When our admin team are calling, you are telling not interested to continue, but you are attending the demo. There are some people like that. And one more thing. So tomorrow is the last demo, and the next batch onwards, there may be a chance of increasing the price, because next batch will be there in the month of February. These 2 months we don't have any Java batches, DSA with Java batches. Okay. So next batch will be on the month of February. You know, that is a summer and peak period. We are going to change the fees structure. Okay. We are merging with another batch. Will it be able to catch up with them? Yes, because I covered, for you, I have taken 1 hour session. For them, I have taken only half an hour, and I have given 2 days off for them. And I am going to give tomorrow also off for them. So today, whatever content I am taking for them, tomorrow I am going to take for you people. And then from Thursday, both are going to merge. Okay. Yeah. Right, sir. This total content is there in the website. You can check it. Right, sir. Thank you. Good night. See you tomorrow.